In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a destination page in WP Travel Engine for 2025. There's a lot to cover, so let's get started. First things first, we'll need to log into your WordPress dashboard. Open your preferred web browser and type in your website's address followed by a WP admin. This will take you directly to the login page where you'll enter your credentials to access the WordPress dashboard. If you find yourself needing to reset your password, you can click on the Lost Your Password link usually found below the login form to help you retrieve it. Once you're logged in, navigate to the menu on the left-hand side of your dashboard. Here, look for the Trips section. Under this, you'll see an option for destinations. Go ahead and click on it. This is where you'll be able to manage all destination entries linked to your trips. To create a new destination page, click on the Add New button. This will open up the editing screen where you'll add all the details about your new destination. In the first section, you'll enter the destination name. This is the title that will appear on your destination page, so make sure it's both accurate and engaging. Next, in the description area, provide a concise but informative overview of the destination. You want to give enough information to pique interest but not overwhelm potential travelers. This description will give visitors insight into what they can expect when they travel there. Make sure your writing is clear and captivating. Further down, you'll see an option to upload a featured image. This picture is crucial because it provides the visual appeal that can draw in viewers. You'll want to choose a high-quality image that truly represents the essence of the destination. The ideal size and format can usually be found in the guidelines provided by the WP Travel Engine plugin documentation. Once you've filled in the necessary information and added your featured image, it's time to make your new destination page visible to the world. On the right side of the screen, you'll find the Publish button. Clicking this will make your new destination page live on your website. It's a straightforward but crucial step to ensure that your work gets the audience it deserves. After publishing, you may want to link this destination to relevant trips within your WP Travel Engine. Whenever you create or edit a trip, there will be a section for selecting a destination. Here, you can assign the destination you've just created to applicable trips. Finally, to view your new destination page, you can navigate to your site's front end. Go to your website's URL, followed by your destination, and then the name of your destination. This is where you can see your hard work come to fruition and verify that everything appears as you intended. And that's it. You've successfully created a destination page in WP Travel Engine. Thanks for watching and happy traveling!